Hello, my name is Tatiana Flamer, and this is my presentation on philosophy of success. My definition of success is to reach your goal that you set out to do and complete, to never give up when it gets hard, to put 100%, to be happy with whatever outcome you face when reaching your goal. My life role, life purpose, and goal is my life role is to become a registered nurse. My life purpose is to assist people at their most vulnerable moments, and my life goal is to make a difference in the world and become an expert on my field. My quote that I go by is, don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve, by Mary Kay Ash. This is significant to me because I don't want anyone, including myself, thinking just because I can't at the moment reach my goal, I will never be able to reach or limit myself. I am going to be able to accomplish my goal no matter how long it takes. Speak positivity into existence is what I'm trying to teach myself now and what I'm going by. My struggles and solutions, what I found out during taking this course is time management, study skills, and budgeting. My struggle is in time management is not keeping track of time and not being able to cope with stress and not thinking about tomorrow's plans, which has to do with my job that I have now. I'm working 40 hours a week, 8 to 12 hours a day, and it's mandatory, going crazy until I find a part time job. The solution right now is to plan out my week in a planner or a Google Calendar, to take on what's most important of the week and to label least and most important on the to do list. What I'm implementing is to take 2 hours out the day to go over my notes and what I wrote in a student group discussion. For my study skills, my struggle is low motivation and difficulty concentrating, because I worry about failing and not being able to remember, too many distractions as in work. So until then, I need my solution is to stay focused on what's important in the class and discuss with the classmates and to take notes. What I implemented from the class is to make bubble notes, bubble maps, and flashcards. My budget, my budgeting, my struggle is buying things that are not needed but wanted, not having enough money, but I'm spending it anyways. The solution I came up with is to create a savings account and a 401k, spending money on what's important and what's not needed and what's not wanted. What I implemented is having a bank card that's linked to my savings account. So every time I swipe my credit card, it will take out money and send it right to my savings account. My three most favorite assessments that I had during the course is the 12 grid scaling assessment, the true color assessment, and the MBTI assessment. For the for what I got scored for the 12 item grid scale is moderate. I thought I would have a high score, but after taking the assessment, I scored moderate, and I see that I have more perseverance and dedication to live by. I can need to stay more focused on the long run so I can achieve my goals. My second one is the true assessment. I scored uh blue and gold, which means that I am creative and I enjoy looking at things in a new way, and I'm organized. This suits my career in nursing because I want to be able to ensure and develop quality care for my patients. What I scored for the MBTI assessment is ESTJ, which goes with my career because I want to be able to help anybody in any occupations that has to do with helping somebody. I'm motivated. What keeps me motivated is my family. This is my dad. I look up to him. He's the one that started healthcare. This is why I want to be in healthcare. This is my sister. She wants to be a teacher. I'm motivated because she's the first one in our household, out of five, to be the first one to go to school, to college. So I'm next. And this is my boyfriend. He keeps me motivated as well. My conclusion is everyone motto should be to follow what makes you happy, and what makes you happy is your business as long as you keep thriving in life. I just want to be able to accomplish my goals and keep going with my education and be the best that I can be. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye.